This is Lesson 13, Exercise 6C, Preview Words and Sentences. Just a couple words I'll point out. God can be used as a proper name, and also it can be used in a general sense, like a God or the God, without it being capitalized. In this case, it is the proper name, God, with the asterisk. Pew actually has that U in it, so it's that long U. So even though it's spelled E-W, it's P long U. In the sentences, I do see the word put, and that doesn't have the oo long U. It doesn't have the short U, but you write it with the short U. We've had other words like this come up in preview words and sentences, and that's one where it has an it's spelled with the U. It has the not oo or but kind of more of a short sound. So put is one of those that you might want to add to a list just to remember. It's P-U-T as it's spelled with the short U. Okay, so here we go with the preview words in reverse order. Ready? Bowl. Sew. Saw. Write. Proper name, fill. Pew. On. Meet. Leg. Lag. Grill. Grand. Grain. Grad. God, capitalized. Go. Glee. Gill. Gas. Proper name, gap. Gal. Egg. Determine. Competence. Come. America. After. All right, now check your notes. A couple others that you probably noticed when you did the preview words straight copy and then by listening to the dictation is fill. It's spelled PH, but it has that initial F sound, so you spell that with an F. And then the word so came up, and a couple of exercises before this in the, I believe it was 6A maybe, when I explained the word so, S-O. Think of that like the word no, N-O-S-O. Then you have this word so with the long O, which is spelled E-W. That's where you are writing that word so with the long O. All right, so go over them again if you need to. When you're ready, I'll dictate the sentences. Okay, now here we go with dictation of the sentences. Ready? It may lag after the gal on lap 5 of the grand car to see competence, period. Determine if Gill saw God come in the note in the pew, period. Get the meat, period. Place the grain and 1 egg in the bowl to make the bread, period. Put gas in the car to go to the Gap for a cap for America, period. Gail began to sew the right leg of the pant to keep it on right, period. Now transcribe everything, and when you're transcribing, I may have mentioned this before, make sure you're able to transcribe those briefs, okay? It's so important to go to just the steno and be able to transcribe it and recognize it, even if it's a brief, as fast as you can actually write it. That will increase your speed, and it will help you in case you misstroke it. You still might be able to decipher what it is from the steno, because part of the word will be there, and even if you accidentally shadowed something, you're used to seeing the brief, and so you'll know what it is, all right? So important. So transcribe it from your steno, compare it to what's in the book, and go over it again if necessary. And when you're ready with everything in this lesson, including these preview words and sentences, then you're ready to move on to lesson 14.